Beets are naturally high in nitrates, which turn into nitric oxide in the body. This compound lowers blood pressure by causing the blood vessels to relax and widen. Beetroot and its juice encourage your heart and lungs to work better during exercise. Proven health benefits of beets. Beets root, commonly known as beets, are a conventional root vegetable used in many cuisines around the world and have been used for centuries to remedy a number of conditions from constipation to fever. Beets are equally recognized as blood turnips. Beets are frequently referred to as a superfood. They are delicious and easy to add to your diet. Most people consume beet very little, while its benefits endure frequently. In 1930, Russian doctors discovered something called alpha-lipoic in beet, and they found that if we provide it to our athletes, their performance would be considerably improved. So after the 1936 Olympics, they made it compulsory for their athletes to drink beet juice, and athletes started drinking 2 to 4 liters of beet juice daily to improve their performance. Presently, modern research followed has shown beets is good only to improve performance but also preventing diabetes. And those people who have diabetes patients in their family and want themselves to prevent diabetes, and those whose bellies is out, beet is also absolutely good for them. The scientific reason for this is we possess an insulin-producing organ with us called the pancreas. As diabetes onset, the significant type of diabetes called insulin resistance, the pancreas starts making diluted insulin, which means it produces frequently but its efficacy is exceptionally low. Therefore, the substances in beet confer to a pancreas the power to make better insulin. The first benefit comes out that the belly commences going inside. Hence, it is not merely excellent for diabetes or early onset diabetes patients but also for obesity. Beets are packed with essential vitamins, minerals and plant compounds, some of which possess medicinal properties. Beets boast an impressive nutritional profile. They are low in calories yet high in valuable vitamins and minerals that you need like folate, manganese, vitamin C, vitamin A and potassium. A half cup of beetroot contains 37 calories, 1 gram of protein, less than 1 gram of fat, 8 grams of carbohydrates, 7 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of fiber. Beets help maintain blood pressure in check and are heart healthy. Beets are rich in folate, vitamin B9, which helps cells grow and function. Folate performs a key role in limiting damage to blood vessels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Beets are naturally high in nitrates, which turn into nitric oxide in the body. This compound lowers blood pressure by causing the blood vessels to relax and widen. A 2015 study of 68 people with high blood pressure examined the effects of drinking 250 ml of beet juice daily. The researchers found that doing so significantly lowered blood pressure after ingestion. This suggests that this antihypertensive effect was due to excessive nitrate levels in the beet juice. However, people should never stop taking a prescribed blood pressure medication without first talking to a doctor. Beets prevent diabetes. In 2019, a review of studies considered the effects of alpha-lipoic acid on the symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. The researchers found that oral and intravenous administration of alpha-lipoic acid supplements led to a decrease in symptoms of peripheral and autonomic neuropathy in people with diabetes. However, most of the doses in these studies were far higher than those that are available in beet. The effects of more minimal dietary amounts are not yet evident from the present research. Beets may improve digestive health. 1 cup of beet provides 3.81 grams of fiber. Consuming enough fiber is essential for smooth digestion and gut health. Dietary fiber remains an essential component of a nutritious diet. It has been linked to many health benefits, including improved digestion. Fiber bypasses digestion and heads down to the colon, where it either feeds the friendly gut bacteria or adds bulk to stool. This can promote digestive health, maintain your regular, and prevent digestive conditions like constipation, inflammatory bowel disease, and diverticulitis. Beets may increase stamina. Beetroot and its juice encourage your heart and lungs to work better during exercise. Nitric oxide from beets muscles, increases blood flow to your muscles. Some athletes consume beet or drink beet juice when exercising to improve their performance. Some studies have found beet juice supplementation can improve the amount of oxygen that muscles absorb during exercise. When 2019 study found that massive doses of beet juice improved the time trial results of experienced cyclists. Beetroot may have some anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants content and anti-inflammatory nature of beets have led to an interest in their ability to prevent cancer. However, the current evidence is relatively limited. One test tube study using human cells found that beet extract, which is high in betalain pigments, reduced the growth of prostate and breast cancer cells. Although further research is necessary before health professionals can recommend beets as a replacement for other standard cancer risk reduction methods, they may have some function in reducing the risk of this condition. Now the question is how to consume beets. When preferring a beet, make sure it is weighty for its size and does not have signs of surface damage. Beetroot is difficult to eat raw and difficult to chew. If eaten steamed, it is very beneficial. Then also drink steamed water as well. This way you can easily digest it. Beetroot juice contains no fiber and 0% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin C. Raw beets have relatively more vitamin C and fiber. Cooked beet tops are the genuine nutritional powerhouse in comparison. If stir-fry, then must use extra virgin oil. To gain the nutritional benefits of beets, prepare beet juice by peeling beet and blend it with a combination of fresh oranges, apples, carrots, and lemon. Grate or slice raw beets and add them to coleslaw or a salad. To preserve beets for several days, refrigerate them in a tightly sealed bag. Thank you for watching.